Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glambykiki. So today's video is going to be on the La Mariposa eyeshadow palette from Yami Angelina x Juvia's Place, and we're gonna create this look. So if you want to know how to get this look, continue watching. So this is La Mariposa palette in collaboration with Yami Angelina and Juvia's Place. Absolutely excited because this is a fellow Latina, and I had to support my Dominicana, and I absolutely love the colors that she chose. I love everything that Yami stands for, so I'm excited to get into it. So I'm taking Makeup by Mario's eye primer. I'm taking that all over my eyelid to create a blank canvas before I lay down any bright color on the lids right now. And I'm also setting that with a powder to make sure there's no patchiness. Then we're going in to the palette and we're starting off with Ya Tu Sabe, which is a beautiful burnt orange. I'm taking that right in the crease, and I'm taking that in the crease multiple times, about 3 times, to pack on enough color and definition. I love it. So creamy, so smooth, no fallout, absolutely amazing. Next up, we're going with Areolis, which is more of like a coral color, and I'm taking that right above the crease to blend out any harsh lines. I'm taking October 12, which is a beautiful yellow, and I'm taking that underneath the brow to make sure there are no harsh lines as well, and to soften up the crease. Next, we are going to cut the crease. I'm taking the same Makeup by Mario eye primer in the shade medium to cut the crease, to make sure that wherever I'm laying down color is nice and prepped. And I'm gonna take that from inner corner to outer corner, and I'm gonna start off slow and build my way up and start patting. Then I'm taking Barbie Brett, which is this beautiful fuchsia pink shimmer color, which is gonna add such a girly touch but still vibrant and sexy. It has gold, green, blue, and pink reflex in it, so it hits different in every lighting. Then I'm going back in with Ya Tu Sabe and Areolis right on the outer corners to go ahead and blend. Then I'm taking my one size fits all eyeliner to go ahead and create my wing. And I'm gonna do something funky that I never done before. I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitter glue, and I am going to pack that on, and I'm going to go ahead and put Glitter Queen and wing out my liner. Well, in this case, we're gonna bling out the liner. This part is a little bit more tedious, so you gotta be more patient and more precise. I'm using a small detailed brush to go ahead and adhere the eyeshadow to make sure that it's nice and crisp and winged out. But you can definitely skip this part if you want to, but I just wanted to do something different and fun still. I'm going in with Angel right in the inner corner to go ahead and just bling out the inner corner with a nice fun color. I'm going in with Ya Tu Sabe, I'm going in with Areolis, and I'm going in with October 12th right on the lower lash line. Just doing everything I did on the top right on the bottom. I'm using the lashes called Gigi from Derive Beauty. I do have a discount code with them if you're interested in these lashes. Absolutely amazing. I'll leave the link in the description bar down below, as well as everything, but you can use Kiki right at checkout if you're interested in these lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and mascara it up. I'm using my Bare Minerals. Make sure to drop a comment on this video. Let me know what you guys are thinking of this look so far, and let me know if you guys want any other looks in the future. Leave me some suggestions down below, as well as subscribe to my channel. We're going in with Juvias Molten Glow highlight, and I'm taking that right on the brow bone to give a nice little lift on the brow. Absolutely love this nice gold highlighter. Then I'm gonna go in back with the same brush that I used earlier for my crease to blend out any harsh lines. And this is the final look, my darlings. This has been such a fun look that I have created in like such a long time. I haven't been this, excited to create a look, but this palette is absolutely everything. It's literally $15. You get 6 shadows, you get 3 mattes, and you get 3 shimmers. Like, what more can you ask for? Absolutely rate this a nice 10. And if you guys want to shop for it, links will be in my description bar. Make sure you follow me on my other social medias, they'll be there as well. And yes, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next videos. Mwah.